All right, this video will cover 3 items with your Google business page or your Google business profile. We're going to talk about how do you reply to those reviews, how do you find your Google page, and then how do you access your Google page. Hi there, I'm going to show you real quick how to reply to your Google reviews and find it. So just went ahead here in Google, search for my business name. You'll do the same for your own. You should see this information come up here, your Google business page. You'll want to make sure that you're logged in with the correct email that has access to the Google Workspace or through your Gmail email account. Let's see here. Move this down so you can see better. You'll come in here. You'll go click on Read Reviews, and then you can go to Unreplied. And if you have any reviews that are not replied to, you'll click there. Essentially, you just click below the review. And reply back here by clicking the reply button, and then you just hit submit and you've replied back to the review. Pretty straightforward. Let me know if anybody has any questions. Leave some comments down below.